Are you looking for the best mixing bowls? In this video we will look at some of the best mixing bowls on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, OXO Good Grips Mixing Bowl Set. This 3-piece set of bowls welcomes your hand mixer, with deep bowls that minimize splashing and a handle on each bowl that's easy to hang on to with one hand while you're using the mixer in your other hand. The bowls are made from durable plastic that won't crack or break with normal use, and they're rubbery bottomed that won't slide on your kitchen counter. A small spout opposite the handle makes it easy to pour your batter or drain excess liquid from the food you're marinating. The set includes one 1 1/2 quart bowl, one 3-quart bowl, and one 5-quart bowl. While these probably won't grace your table for fancy parties, they're super sturdy, so they're great for outdoor use or for movie and popcorn night. These nest neatly when it's time to put them away. They are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy when you're done cooking. At number 2, Fine Dine Mixing Bowls. You'll always have the size you need with this set of 6 stainless steel mixing bowls. The smallest bowls can be used for prep work while the largest will hold your largest batches of cake batter, supersized salads, or bread dough for a crowd, and the shape is ideal for hand whisking, whether you're whipping cream or emulsifying a salad dressing. Since these are made from stainless steel, you can use them as a double boiler on top of a saucepan of simmering water to melt delicate chocolate or cook a custard. They won't stain, rust, or retain odors, and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. While they're not as decorative as the serving bowls you use on holidays, they're great for picnics, barbecues, and outdoor dining, since they're unbreakable and heavy enough not to blow away in the wind. This set includes 3/4 quart, 1 1/2 quart, 3-quart, 4-quart, 5-quart, and 8-quart bowls that nest for storage. At number 3, Pyrex 8-piece Mixing Bowl Set. Glass mixing bowls are classic, and the borosilicate glass used in Pyrex has been used in kitchens since the early 1900s. It is designed to be safe in your preheated oven, freezer, microwave, and dishwasher. While glass can break when handled improperly, these are sturdy enough for everyday use for many years. Since the glass is non-porous and non-reactive, you can use it for marinating foods, mixing cake batters, or serving delicate salads without worrying about flavors or odors remaining. The set includes one 1-quart bowl, one 1 1/2 quart bowl, one 2 1/2 quart bowl, and one 4-quart bowl, all with coordinating BPA-free plastic lids. The plain clear glass shows off your food nicely if you decide to use them for serving. The lids make storing and reheating foods ultra convenient. At number 4, OXO Good Grips 3-piece Mixing Bowl Set. These bowls have a stainless steel interior and a plastic exterior, providing insulation against heat or cold, so you can work with hot or chilly foods while keeping your hands comfortable. That insulation also makes these bowls ideal for holding your rising bread dough, since the dough will stay at a more constant temperature, even if the kitchen is drafty. This 3-piece set includes sizes you'll reach for often: one 1 1/2 quart bowl, one 3-quart bowl, and one 5-quart bowl. The stainless steel interior won't stain or absorb odors, so you can use these for marinating your favorite curry today and mix a delicate salad dressing tomorrow. The non-skid base on each bowl keeps them from sliding around on your counter while you're mixing, and avoids the marks you can get from stainless steel bowls sliding on your countertops. When cooking is done, these are dishwasher safe for quick cleaning, and then they nest neatly for tidy storage. At number 5, Bellwares Stainless Mixing Bowls. This stainless steel and rubber mixing bowl set aims to cut down on the number of tools you need to tackle your next project. Each lid has a removable insert where any one of the 3 attachments easily fits into place. Attachments include a slicer, grater, and shredder. Additionally, each bowl has liquid measurements printed on the inside of the bowl for quick mixing without a liquid measuring cup. A small pour spout opposite the handled side of the bowl makes for smoother pouring of sauces and batters. The non-porous, brushed stainless steel bowls have rubber bases to prevent slipping while mixing heavier duty ingredients. There are also rubber handles for a non-slip grip, and for some minimal insulation from warmer ingredients. Bowl sizes include a 1 1/2 quart, 3 quart, and 5 quart bowl, each with accompanying lids. Safe for use in the dishwasher, refrigerator, freezer, and a preheating oven. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.